Do you ever get confused while using go, goes and when? Yes? Then don't worry, you're at the right place. Welcome back to my channel. Say it right. In today's video, I'm going to tell you that where and when we use go, goes and when. So let's start with understanding two types of tenses. Number one is present simple tense and the other one is past simple tense. There are few subjects which we usually use in starting off any sentence. These subjects are I, we, they, you, it, he and she. Now let's make group of these subjects into two. The first group includes I, we, they and you. And the second group includes he, she and it. Now let's understand with which group we use go and with which group we use goes. With the first group I, you, they and we use go. These subjects are known as plural subjects. Let's see some examples. I go to the school. We go to the park. They go to the shopping mall. These were the examples for go. Now let's see the examples for goes. He goes to the school. She goes to the gym. These were the few examples for go and goes. Now let's understand where we use went. Went is the past tense of go and goes. In past simple tense, instead of using go and goes with the subject, we use went. So in other words, we say went is used with all the subjects. So let's see the examples. He went to the gym. She went to the school. They went to the park. I hope you all understand the concept of using go, goes and when. Now let's test what you have learned. I will ask some questions and you have to answer it. Question number 1. He to the school every day. The options are A. Go, B. Goes, C. When. You are right. He goes to the school every day. Now, question number 2. Yesterday, we dashed to the beach. Option A. Go. Option B. Goes. Option C. When. Wonderful. Yesterday, we went to the beach. The word yesterday shows it's a past tense. So we use, instead of go and goes, we used went. Now let's see the last question. I to the gym on Sundays. Option A, go. Option B, goes. Option C, when. Wonderful. Go to the gym on Sundays. Excellent. Great job. Now keep practicing and write a sentence with went in the comment box. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Here is the tip of the week. The word the is used in two sounds. The. Now the question is when to use the and when to use the. The is used when the next words start with any consonant, like the school, the park. The is pronounced as the when the next words start with vowel, like A, E, I, O, U. Let's see the examples. The apple, the umbrella,